This airport was left to decay. No movement, no life.
We begin inside.
Systems completely failed.
Nothing is salvageable.
Control systems offline.
The foundation is damaged.
Position carefully.
We rebuild everything. Materials arrive. Handle the load.
Infrastructure collapsed.
We have significant structural issues here. The ventilation is failing.
Organize first. Start cleaning. Distribute resources. Layer by layer. Prepare for structure.
Move inside.
Remove unstable ground. Restore visibility. Structure returns.
Next phase, construction begins.
Clearing begins, step by step. Secure every point. Power lines take shape.
Clear the debris.
Progress builds across zones.
Logistics begins to form. Build the systems inside. Old systems come out.
Reveal the base.
Level the foundation.
Remove the damage first.
Everything moves forward.
The airport is coming back.
Rebuild the logic runway. Old meets new.
Precision.
Lights guide the way.
Supply is back.
Work resumes.
Momentum builds. The system takes shape. Even forgotten machines return.
Power is ready.
Systems online. Old becomes new.
Testing begins.
Everything aligns.
Air systems prepared. First lift.
The airport is ready. Almost.
Every system connects. Final touches begin.
Every detail matters. Air operations active.
All systems verified.
Logistics online.
Runway ready.
Everything connected.
Final inspection.
Even the aircraft returns.
Operations have begun. The airport is alive again.
Now fully alive.
Mission complete.
They made it possible.
Power restored. Flight return. Built together. Delivered with pride. From abandoned to fully operational.